How to buy Robux with credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. You'll need to log into your Roblox account in the web browser. Type in roblox.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the login page. Provide your Roblox account's credential, email address, and the password. With that, you'll be directed to home page. Now click on the Robux option given over here. For that, you will be directed to Robux packages page. Scrolling down, you're gonna find different option for Robux. Go ahead and select the one that you wanna purchase. So I'm gonna select 4500 Robux. Now select payment type. Credit, debit, PayPal, redeem or other. Click on the option of credit card. Now go ahead and provide your credit card details, email address, card information, card number, expiration date and CVC, likewise cardholder number, country or region, and then check in for the option save my payment information for further purchases. Then you can click on pay. With that you have just used credit card to buy the Robux. So this way you can easily buy Robux using credit card. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.